Hey guys, Alpine Companies. Once we have our ports installed on our foundation and we've sealed the cracks between the ports, put one more bit of adhesive on there. This one's going to set up quick and firm, nothing like silicone or anything. I'm just going to slowly work that adhesive, circular pattern. What this will do is make sure that none of the epoxy that we inject is going to leak or bleed out anywhere. There you go. I'm going to do that to all these. Jade Alpine, you can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. Just this epoxy injection foundation crack repair. Just getting the tops of our ports anchored down, and we will start injecting them with the resin as soon as these cure. There you go. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next video.